Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AZ Networks. I want to show you today about a new product, which is a new RGB light that I got from Amazon for 35 bucks, which is really cheap in compared to the other brands. That's really expensive. I just wanted make it my videos like a cinematic video, so for those reasons, so I got this RGB light from a Neewer company. The name of the brand is Neewer, which is good, which is coming with the two new RGB light, different colors, and let's set up this light and let's review together how it's gonna be look like if I set up for my YouTube channel. There's a full kit of the newer RGB light. It will come with two RGB light, two tripod, and two legs, and two hit key to connect the RGB light to the tripod. And it comes with the three color, which is red, yellow, and blue. Each of them two pieces, which is for each of the RGB light. And which is really, I love this kit is you don't need to remove this one, which give you a sharpness color. You just put right in front of this and it will give you the color. So let's set up and let's see how it's gonna look like in my videos. Okay guys, as you see it from the background, which is really nice right now, and your videos is like really more cinematic and more professional way. So I will put this product in the description below, guys. So if you like it, you can just go to Amazon and buy it. And if you like these videos, please guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Or if you don't like it, how I can improve my videos in the YouTube, so just write a comment and don't forget subscribe my channel to see more videos. Thank you guys.